Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve a beautiful expression that is 24 divided 3 bracket 4 plus 4. It looks simple, still many people fail to solve this because they solve it like this: 24 divided 3, 4 plus 4 as 8 and multiply 24 divided by 3 times 8 is 24 and 24 divided by 24 is 1, which is the incorrect answer because they did not follow the right approach. When you have given multiple order operation, then you have to follow order of operation, which is also known as PEMDAS rule. So this rule helps you to choose to give priority to which operation first. So first you have to solve the parenthesis, that means this bracket, then exponent. If given multiplication and division both have same priority, just solve it from left to right. Addition and subtraction have same priority, just solve it from left to right. So the parenthesis is 4 plus 4, 8, and if there is n, no symbol between number and bracket, you have to put multiplication. Now we have two operations, that is division and multiplication. Both have same priority, but you have to solve it from left to right. So 24 divided by 3 times 8. So when you cancel out this, gives 8 times 8, that is 64. So what is the correct answer? 64, not 1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.